So guys, I just got finished packing up to leave my house. As you know, I'm moving. Had to get the rest of the furniture, but everything's out. I have my totally visible toolboxes there. Nothing's in the garage, so I just gotta get these, and then I'm good. Picks up everything. All right, puts it in back. All right, let's get out of here now. All right, so as you know, I'm moving to a country house in the new town Brookmore. The only reason I decided to move there was because it's not as big as Greenville, but I've been living here in Greenville for a while. I've had a lot of fun in this town, but moving to a new town, it's still in the state of Wisconsin, luckily, So yeah, I don't really know if I'm gonna buy any cars. Probably not, but god dang, this thing just sounds so good. Yeah, I really love this truck. I'm gonna keep it for a while. So I decided I'm probably gonna I think this is the highway up here. And I think I'm just gonna take the highway because I don't feel like taking I mean, yeah, it would be better to take the back way, but I think this way is faster. So I had all my cars get towed there. Well, really, I had my friend drive, we both drove. Where am I hazard? So he drove he drove some of my cars there. I paid him, and yeah, so. Alright, so. I just pull a U-turn. I don't really care. I just pop a U-turn. Alright. Can't wait to get to my new house, man. Use this trailer so long I gotta pull a lot closer. Alright, and go. Oof, I don't know how I made that. It's already a rest area here? God dang. This is the fast lane, so. Fastest you could go is about 80 miles per hour, so. You're really not supposed to, but I just want to get there a bit quicker, so. Plus, I've been really wanting to get some more miles on this thing, so. Anyway. By the way, the reason I'm not, talking as loud is because I broke my piece for my mic. So until I get a new one, I have no mic. So just want to say that. Anyway, back to the RP. Alright, so we're driving across this nice bridge. Let's see. Okay. Got a nice little river. Not bad. Definitely don't like taking trailers on highways, because if it detaches, someone could get really injured. But, you know, I have it hooked up. I have a couple of straps, so then it's hooked up to the truck too. So just in case it does detach from the hitch, then the straps will keep it, and then I can pull over and reattach it. We're getting some pretty good miles on this thing today. I've already put in a couple miles on it. So, yeah, well, as we can see, oh my god, dude. Yeah, this thing's kind of slippery. Even though it's 4x4, they're still kind of slippery when it's winter time, so. Heard we might be getting a blizzard one of these days. Like, they're saying maybe tomorrow. Maybe even today, they said. So, yeah. So we're just driving around, and, yeah, I think next time if I'm going to head back to Greenville or Horton, I'm taking the other way. So that's the rest stop again. I was about to take that. Wait. Is that it? Is it? Hold up. Oh, shoot. My bad. It's not. I thought it was gonna look, it's the, hotel and gas station. It's not the bridge I gotta take. Doing pretty good with this thing. Let's do a little pull. Ooh. Slow down. This thing I gotta kind of lay on the brakes a little bit. Elk Run Drive. Alright, so we gotta switch lanes. Yep, right up here. Alright. We are here. As you can see, it says Car+More is this way. Alright, let's give it a little pull here. That is another way I could take, but that's the longer way, and I would rather get there faster. Oh my god. Dude, thank God no cars were on the other side, because then I probably would have got sued. Most likely. So anyway. Ugh. So. Oh no, this is... I forgot, these are the other country houses. I'm heading to the one in the town. Well, it's not like... It's really close to the town, though. Oof. I gotta make some wide turns with the trailer. And I'm not taking a lot more turns. I just want to go straight and take that turn to the house, so... Oof! That sign almost got knocked down by this truck, man. Why do there gotta be stop signs everywhere? So we're about to pull up here. It's totally red. Well, I don't really care if it's red or not. Anyway, so that road, I gotta see where that goes to, because that looks like it goes to, look at that, there's like a, oh my god. Totally didn't just hit like almost every single car I have. I did have to buy a lot new furniture since this is a 2-story house. So, yeah, it was totally red. Anyway. Alright, so let's back this. You know what? I think we should go to the back door because the back door is bigger. So, problem is I got all these barns and stuff in the way. I don't know if I'll actually be able to. Oh, yeah, probably not. Well, if these hay bales weren't here, I could get in, but I mean, I could try, but the trailer is kind of wide. If the trailer can make it, then my truck can make it, because it's a bit wider than my truck. Oh yeah, that'll definitely make it. I just gotta get it in like the perfect. Problem is getting it out of there. Come on, bro. Give me a sec. I made it. Yeah, we can't get in there. Unless I drive my truck first, but... Let's see if I can get my truck first. My truck is a bit thinner, I think. Please don't mess up my mirror. Oh, that totally didn't happen. Oof. I totally did not hit the barn. Alright, well, you know what? It's close enough. Alright, opens up trailer. Brings everything inside in 2 milliseconds. I never had that trailer. Anyway. Totally moves truck. Alright, well. Ooh, let's get out. What car do I want to get out? I'm just, I'm gonna get my 2nd gen. I totally didn't run this over. Had a bad cold start today. Yeah, I can only put stuff in the big barn. I can't really put anything in the little barn other than... Well, I can put stuff in the little barn, but I can't really put cars. Because, well, there's like no possible way. Why do they gotta put everything in the worst areas? Don't want to block the door. I can fit one more car back here, so what car do I want to put? I want to put my Ranger there. I don't know if I showed y'all, but I do have a Ranger. Oof. Thing sounds good. Will it fit? Surprisingly, yes. Barely, though. It's probably on block. Yeah, it's gonna block the door, but that's why I'm kind of getting it close to the rail here. Oh, well, that thing sounds nice. I gotta take this out one of these days. Now we gotta get my Pontiac here. I'm gonna put this thing in the garage. Stay closer. Oof, it's on my bed today. Oh, well, I didn't hit anything. Gotta back this thing up. Alright, and what other car do I want to put in there? I'm gonna put my golf cart in the garage. Let's see these things are. There we go. I like how this little thing has a horn. It's kind of fun. Oh, don't hit my Super Duty. I'm really mad. God dang, this thing barely fits. It's that tall. Alright. Goes up the garage. My Super Duty's sitting right here, so... This thing might not start. Surprisingly, it did. Honestly, I gotta put off-road tires on this thing. I wanna go check out more of the town, because I see there's a path that goes to the other area. So I wonder if I could get... You know what? I'm gonna use my work truck. Yeah, this is my work truck. I never showed y'all, but yeah, this is my work truck right here. This thing definitely don't start. Come on, it's of course gonna start. It's a Toyota. Oof. I forget if this thing's rear-wheel drive or all-wheel drive. Let's go this way. Totally not going this way because I drifted to this way. Yeah, totally. If I fall in that lake, I'm gonna crash out because I don't want to do it. That's cool. If I'm going down this road, I can pull into my house from there. This is the other side. Let's see what it looks like down here. That little trailer house is kind of nice. Nice little green colored trailer house. Not bad. I'd probably never live in one unless it has more than one bedroom, which when I heard that one was oh my god. Alright, well, I got a dent in my work truck. Luckily it's not company owned, it's my own one. I bought this for work. Should I drive over that? I'm not gonna take the risk. Then if it falls through the lake, that's done. It's not coming back. Here's probably part one of the blizzard here, because I can barely see anything. Careful. Dude, pole. Start slowing down. Oof, this thing's sliding. bunch of stuff to fix on this thing now. Oh my god. Not crash today. Oh my god. I'm never taking this thing back out. It's too drifty. Oh my god. I'm about to crash this thing again. Hit this jump! Okay, that was the worst jump of 2026. Give me a sec. Let me just recreate the best jump. Just popped out at 1 in the morning, bro. Oh! The snowman's kind of crippled now. Yeah, we do not judge the Jeep's driving skills. Yeah, I saw all my Jeeps. I might buy a new Jeep one of these days. Park this thing here. Oh, I totally didn't run over my V8 diesel. Totally. Let's go inside. Alright, so, grabs, chocolate, hot chocolate mix. Alright, mix hot chocolate. Oh, this stuff good, bruh. Let's watch TV. Oh, ow. Okay, anyway. Yeah, I'm totally not pouring it all over my lap. Totally. Yeah, totally. I don't know. My fingers are kind of going into the cup. I don't even know why I only have four fingers. I have a birth defect. I also only have one toe. I don't have any other toes. I just have one plain little toe. Yeah, we don't talk about that. Anyway. What car do I want to pull out here? Totally takes this out the garage. Alright. Totally the best thing to use in winter. Totally will never slip on me. Oh my god, I can't see nothing. Oh no. Oh, there's a dent. There's a dent. I cannot see nothing. No. Oh! Oh, what the heck? Oh, god, my shoulder, dude. Oh, man, dude. Number one, do never take a rear-wheel drive car out during a blizzard. Let me just get the thumbnail real quick, if you don't mind me. Anyway, yeah, I'm cooked.